Hi guys, today I'm going to be creating this unique wall art. So let's get started. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I really appreciate it. And I took a piece of foam board and I doubled it. I glued the foam boards together. And I used like a bowl or a plate around the edges to curve it. Then I cut it out. And now I'm going to cover the foam boards with this beautiful metallic wallpaper that I got from Amazon. So let me go ahead and get this covered and I'll be right back. Now that we've covered our board, we're going to add a little glam pizzazz to it. And at the top, we left enough where we can fold it over. And we're just going to run it down. And we're going to do this on both sides. Okay, now that we have our bling on both sides, we're going to go ahead and prepare the plates that go on here. We're going to take this dessert plate with a silver rim that I got from eFavorMart. And we're going to put some different gems in it with epoxy and glitter. And then I have a plate with a mirror that's going in the middle. So this plate has some pony beads, some clear acrylic gems, and some silver acrylic gems, along with some silver glitter and glass glitter from Michaels. I've already mixed up the epoxy, so I'm just going to put a little epoxy down on the plate. Little glitter on top. Just a little bit more of the epoxy. And this is just to catch any of the loose rocks. I'm going to set this to the side to let it dry. While it's drying, I'm going to bring the one with the mirror in. And I'm going to glue some of the silver acrylic beads right around the edge. and I'll be right back with the next step. Now that everything is dry, the next step is to glue the plates down. And I'm just taking a little epoxy and putting it on the back of the plate. And if you're wondering why I'm using epoxy, I've used regular glue, super glue, and those type of glues. And what I'm finding is that in the Vegas heat, after about a year, when I go to move something or get ready to display something, the items are falling apart. So I decided that I am going to use epoxy, because when I use epoxy on stuff, it's a permanent hold. And after these dry, I'll be back to show you how they look on the wall. And this is how it looks on the wall. These are so beautiful, guys. I'm excited to get these items done and get them all packed up. I know I said I was going to be uploaded on Wednesdays, but now I think it's going to be Tuesdays and sometimes on Friday before 5 p.m. So please look out for more videos coming soon. And I pre-uploaded some, and for some reason they are not coming up correctly with the dates. They're coming up for the date I actually uploaded it and not when I have it scheduled. So please go to my channel to check to see if you missed any videos. I would appreciate it, guys. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a blessed day.